Hello, my name is Stefano Rosati, and I did my presentation on electric vehicles. Are they worth it? Did you know that producing an electric vehicle battery can generate as much pollution as driving a gasoline-powered car for several years? Yes, electric vehicles could be the future because we won't be as dependent on gasoline-powered engines. In this presentation, we will explore the hidden environmental impacts of manufacturing electric vehicles, from the raw materials extraction to the battery production and the life cycle of the battery. The production of electric vehicle comes with a significant cost to our environment that is often overlooked. Gathering the material. Mining the material creates CO2 and water pollution. For every, on average, ton of material mined creates about 15 tons of CO2 pollution. The raw materials used are, quote, lithium, cobalt, and nickel, unquote. These are used to create the batteries. Mining this material is very dangerous for the people and creates a lot of environmental pollution. It also uses a lot of water to extract this material. And once you're finished with the water is now contaminated with toxins and considered toxic waste. Pollution from the battery and production. Most of the batteries you see in these electric cars or EV cars nowadays are made in China. Making these batteries in China creates a ton of CO2 that is emitted into our atmosphere, creating even more air pollution, like you saw with the old steel mills back in the 1940s. Quote, manufacturing an 80 kilowatt hour Tesla Model 3 battery emits between 2,400 kilograms to 16,000 kilograms of CO2. End quote. Quote, most of the EV batteries you see last 15 to 20 years, end quote. These batteries, considered after they're done used, they have a second life. When they're done being used, the battery cells in these batteries are repaired and then they are further used as power storage for solar panels. But once the batteries are no longer usable, they must be recycled, because if you don't recycle them properly, they could leak toxins into the soil, furthering environmental damage. In conclusion, mining the raw material causes CO2 emissions and water pollution. The production of these batteries emit more CO2 pollution, especially in China. The batteries have a long life cycle but require proper recycling to prevent further environmental damage. While electric vehicles offer a great benefit for reducing our dependence on gasoline, their production is a significant and often overlooked environmental cost. Thank you.